We're now finally closing with Lars Nagel that will give us a speech on IDSA Launching Coalition and the network of IDSA hubs. Hello, Lars.
Hello, I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we hear you well.
Oh, that's great. So good afternoon, meanwhile, to everyone. I'm really happy to have the opportunity to show our achievements, which were able through Boost 4.0. So I share my slides right now. Yeah, well, hello, good afternoon again. So Boost 4.0 was from the very beginning an important project to make data spaces on European level happen. And well, we were with the consortium and the drivers working heavily on this on the proposal, and we are together for a long time. And obviously, we were a little bit ahead of time, because from my perception, Boost 4.0 was the first real data space endeavor on European level. So since this year, February, the Commission released the strategy for data, and they are talking about data spaces in every domain. And well, in Boost 4.0, we talked about the European industrial data space. So we were doing what the Commission is proposing since years now. So on this way, we learned a lot, and I think we clarified and paved a lot for others who want to come up with data spaces endeavors in the manufacturing industrial domain, but also in other domains. So for us, from the International Data Spaces Association, Boost 4.0 was really a central cornerstone of what we've been doing, and we learned a lot while walking. IDSA has been founded roughly 5 years ago, and we defined more or less everything and brought all the fundamentals in place. So reference architecture, certification scheme, a formal standard for this secure IT gateway and other things. We focused more and more, and especially this year, on adoption of the fundamental concepts. And therefore we are, well, this year on the threshold from trial and error to commercial use. And well, we were really engaged in Boost 4.0. We teamed up with all of you, and there were a lot of impressive use cases from different domains, and also a lot of components have been prepared. So it was for us an ignition to start a similar venture inside IDSA to really speed up and start building data spaces and bring ecosystems together. And that is what we did in the Launching Coalition. We renamed it to Launch Coalition. And the idea was to bring IDS to the market. We started in March this year with the alliance of the able, willing, and acting members of IDSA. So those who feel that they are really close to the market and they are able to insert IDS components into their services and offerings. And you see the first squad of the Launch Coalition depicted on the left-hand side. So roughly 40 companies and 21 use cases which really want to build in IDS. So the companies here are the focal ones. They have their customers and their suppliers attached to their use cases. So it's really a larger group where we made things happen. And everything which we learned and discussed and refined in Boost 4.0, the components, they have been taken and were implemented by these companies.